Hey guys, this is a TV projector which works inside and outside from AURZEN. It's an EAZZE D1 Pro, which is the updated version of the EAZZE D1. This is very cool. I'm very excited about it. Dolby digital sound, wireless Bluetooth connection, and it does have the licensed app with Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. So let's check it out. Silicone cover right here for the projector to stay clean. Controls up here. All the ports. Best picture is when it's dark in the room or after dusk when playing outside. It's got the 350 ANSI lumens, which outperforms many projectors on the market. The audio system is very good. It puts out a beautiful cinema sound with the Dolby digital audio and dbx total sonics technology. There's two 10-watt speakers built into the projector unit. It's got the TrueSmart Web OS operating system with the officially licensed app for the Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and others. It's got a Bluetooth remote control. It's got an autofocus, which is pretty cool. You just set the projector anywhere and it finds the proper angles and automatically adjusts the screen.
Oh, you want this? One thing was clear. He was the boss.
4057, Ensign T-Rex are investigating a hostile alien invasion. Oh.